Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build out a document or a report that you could just go into CaseWatch and print out that document or report. And you'd go to your case actions and either send the document, download the document, and you could block documents as well. So if you sent them out, you don't want people to be able to access them anymore, you can actually block the documents. But let's go in and build out a document. So first thing we do is go to User Settings, Global, Document Templates. Okay. We're going to elect to put a new template in. So I'm going to say new item, and we are going to bump this over right here. So now we have CaseWatch here on our left, and we have the actual report on the right. If you go down in the CaseWatch, you'll see View Template Variables. If you click on that, you're going to see all the variables that you're going to be able to access to fill out these documents. So the first thing we're going to do is we're at the subject information. So let's type in subject, and these are all the subjects variables that you can use. So we're going to go in, first thing, subject name. Let's see if there's a subject name there. Maybe not just like that. So let's go to subject again. And we're going to find alias, date of birth, description, email, full name. So we'll put the full name, we're going to copy it and paste it. We strongly suggest you copy and paste what is available so that there's no misspellings or missing an underscore or period or something to that effect. Like really I just did when I was searching. So let's go through again. Let's see if we can find the address. So we're going to go to the, actually, and if you want to see things quicker, address, you're going to get everything with address in it. So let's say company address, company subject, street address. So let's use that. Boom. Now, phone number. So I'm going to click in phone. You can see how easy it is really to build out these. We'll use cell phone. So I'll put copy. It's easy to build out these reports. Date of birth, so we're going to go subject again because I remember it being right there. Subject, date of birth, copy, paste, social security number. Let's see if we can find that on here. Street address, subject. Let's do this. There, subject social security number. Put that right there. All right, now client information. So I'm gonna go client, and we got client name. We have client name. We have client address. Let's see if we have contact. Let's go contacts, full name, copy, paste, services. Case services. I mean, this is literally how easy it is. I mean, you don't have to build anything. You don't have to add any code or anything like that. And then we can say the status. So the client can tell whether this is, an interim update or the final update. Okay, good. We have everything. Okay, now for surveillance report, two things we're going to want: a summary and you're going to want chronological order of events or kind of the details. So we'll put details, copy, paste it over, And this is our surveillance report right here. If you want, you can do something like put a page break in there so that it starts on the next page. So I'll put a page break right there so that this stuff will start on the very next page. So now let's save this. Save a copy. I gotta open this up, I think. So let's see it. And let's put surveillance report template, CaseWatch. Let's just save it as that. We're gonna actually, it should tell me it's already there. Yep. Okay. So now we've saved it in as a surveillance report template. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up CaseWatch here, if we can open it up. And when I go into this section, now we actually have a document. So we're going to call this our surveillance report. And for those of you who do different investigations for different companies, this is huge because you can add all of their report templates. So if you work for different insurance companies and they want you to work on different templates, you put any template in here you want, and it's all built out by a Word document because of the software we're using. So it's really easy. So we're going to put in surveillance report, and just to name it so we know what it is, we'll put demo. Okay. This is a test. For the description, access groups. Who can access this? It's a report, so we're going to say that it's going to be publicly available. I'm going to put it available for any case. And now we go in and we pick. Where's our report template? There it is, right there. All right, now I'm going to save it. And there we go. We just added that report template. So let's go in and see how that looks in a case. I'm going to pull up this Joe Rebecca James case. Let's see if it's got any. All right. Now, I'm just going to go in without having looked at anything. Well, actually, I probably should make sure that these are all. I'm going to validate this, accept, because they will not be added to the report unless they're validated first. And I'm going to validate this one and hit accept. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just going to go in, hit actions, download document. I want that one surveillance report demo. So I'm going to click on it, and it pretty much automatically is going to. Now it's telling me that case services, cell phone number for the subject, and the subject's date of birth is not available. So those variables will not be filled out. So it actually tells you what variables you might need to add after the fact. So we're going to go ahead and download it. We'll open it up. You can see everything that was able to be filled out is filled out. You move down here, you can see this is the this is what we were doing this for an attorney, showing an attorney how they can use it. But and this is your surveillance report. It's got your images right under it. It's got your surveillance, and it actually shows the time of video for each entry for your clients. So that's how easy it is to prepare a final report. You don't have to go through all types of coding and things of that nature to make that work. Anybody has any questions, reach out to us at support@casewatch.io. Thank you.